go.
This is our Mario game. Well, he just died, but it's basically for people who like classic 8-bit games. I'm going to run it again so you can see it. So it's your basic classic 8-bit Mario. He can jump on top of things, he can die. I'm really bad at playing, but it has all of your basic Mario features. It's meant to mimic the first stage of the first level. We used Pulp Core to make it, which is a Java-based API. It can do things like draw backgrounds, draw different interactive parts, which are called sprites, and basically each sprite is a different class. It's basically just a GUI API. So. But it works very well for games specifically because, especially for the animation, it's really smooth, and for the sprites, they can interact, so that's really nice.
So some features in this game is like this scrolling screen here, which is like a big part. You can see like it going back and forth, following Mario, and then that's one of the cool things, because we took a giant picture and we had as a background, and then we use as a frame and then we use that as the thing, and then what happens is we use a scrolling screen to show each part of it. Now, okay, and that was like a big feature. Also, these sprites are a big part of this too. As you can see, they're all the characters, the Goomba, the Mushroom, and Mario, of course, and they can all die and stuff like that. And then some challenges. Oh man, there's a lot of challenges. For one, on the original scroll panes there used to be bars on the side, and there was also challenges of him jumping, which took a lot of physics and a lot of days of arguing. As you can see, he has trouble jumping sometimes. And then, I mean, there's a lot of glitches too with this jumping thing, because he would always, crap, now there's another glitch here, but he would always get stuck at some places. And other challenges are like this one, where the scroll pane loses Mario. And yeah, oh, and making these holes and making the holes in like these things you can stand on, this took a while. I mean, what I had to do was I had to do for loops or if loops about if he's at certain places he can do certain things, and it's just really hard to make in certain places. And then I had to measure this out one by one. Dead reckoning is what most people would call it. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to play the game entirely through right now. Oops. This game is like this scrolling screen here, which is like a big part. You can see like it going back and forth, following Mario, and then